Hey guys, Jack from Mx5 Modified, and today we're doing another maintenance mod. We are cleaning the drain holes for the soft top with this trombone cleaner. I washed my car and the footwell is just soaked. Yep, as you can see it is soaked through, and that is the drain hole there. So what you want to do is you want to come from this angle with the trombone cleaner and go at an angle towards the gear stick. The hole is around the top, around here, not at the bottom, up at the top here. So what you got to try and do is get that in like that and aim it towards the gear stick and then just keep pushing. What you don't want to do is you don't want to pull it up, you just want to keep pushing it and try and push it through until it goes through at the bottom. See how the water's dripping through now? So that actually has come through. It's just got caught here. There we go. Then you want to pull it through. I'd probably do a couple of passes just to make sure it's completely clear. Otherwise you'll end up with wet footwells like I've just got with this. Because it overfills and then it runs down the back here, as you can see. Yeah, not great. Now normally you have a plastic here and there is plastics for the normal roll bar. I've removed all them, so that's why it's a bit easier for me to get in and to be able to see it, while you might struggle a bit more with the standard in. But now you know where you need to go, so come in from the top, right at the top there, and aim for the gear stick. Same on the other side, but yeah, facing the other way. Just the same on this side. To get it through the flap at the bottom, you've got to give it a bit more of a push. There it is, and you just want to pull it through. And then give it another few passes. So all you can really do with this to get rid of all the water is try and remove some of the carpet and get some white roll or blue roll underneath it and just try and dry it out. You can also put a heater in, and that might help. But yeah, it is absolutely soaked. I didn't think it was this bad. So if you've never done this before, chances are you probably need to do it. I did this probably about 3 years ago, so it's been due for a little bit of time, I think. So we do have another YouTube video on the leaks into the footwell, which is, it comes from underneath here, from this grommet. So if you've done the drain clean and it still hasn't fixed it, that could be a culprit, it needs sealing up. So I'll put the video up here, so you can just go and click on that after you finish this video. Well, I hope this has helped you guys. Please give this video a like and please subscribe if you want some more Mx5 content on maintenance and different mods that we're doing. So thanks again and see you on the next one.